guys.
Imaginary selfies. They are the LSU Tigers, the SEC regular season champs, the Baton Rouge Regional. LSU will open up against the before regional seed Lehigh, the Mountain Hawks, the Patriot League champs. First NCAA tournament since 06, the number 3 seed in that region, the Tulane Green Wave out of the American.
LSU play on TV all year. You know, they're really good, but we're not playing them first. We're playing Tulane first. We played them at our place. They beat us. So we'll, look back at the stats and stuff from that game, see what we need to do, and, be ready for them.
Well, like Jordan said, it's not quite as nerve-wracking being a bubble team and not knowing whether you're going to get in or not. It is. You're just more excited, though, to see where you're going to go and where we're going to get to start this road home.
Well, the first thing that popped in my head was Tulane had been first game. They beat us earlier, and I feel like we're going to come out and we're going to want to beat them. We're going to take it one game at a time and go from there.
What do you remember? Three of the 4 teams are kind of the same, and hopefully we kind of make that run, plus a little more.
You had a game against Tulane already. What do you remember about that game?
Not a very good performance on our part. All I can say is, we know what we have. We've got some charts on those guys, and probably get a few updated charts and see what's kind of changed. And just hope to keep playing the way we did this past weekend. It'll be pretty tough to beat.